In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Predator Sense when it won't open. If you've been having trouble with this application on your Predator system, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through a few troubleshooting steps designed to get your application back up and running. So, let's get started. First and foremost, it's important to ensure that your system is up to date. Often, issues with applications arise merely from outdated software or drivers. Head over to your Windows Update settings and check for any available updates. Download and install these updates if there are any, and then restart your computer to apply the changes. Keeping your operating system current is a small yet effective step in preventing various issues, including those with Predator Sense. After updating, let's check to see if Predator Sense itself requires an update. Navigate to Acer's official website or use any Acer utility that came with your system to make sure you have the latest version of Predator Sense installed. Download and install any available updates, ensuring the program is running its latest iteration. An outdated program can often lead to unexpected issues or incompatibilities. Now, once you have ascertained that everything is up to date, it's a good idea to perform a proper restart of your computer. Doing so can refresh your system and potentially resolve minor glitches or temporary software issues. Remember, a full restart is different from simply shutting down, so follow through with a restart for best results. If the problem persists, let's try uninstalling Predator Sense completely from your system. Access your control panel, and under Programs, select Uninstall a program. Look for Predator Sense in the list, click on it, and select Uninstall. This will remove any corrupted files associated with the program. Remember to restart your computer after the uninstallation process completes. Once rebooted, go back to Acer's official website and download the latest version of Predator Sense. If you encounter issues trying to uninstall through the control panel, consider using third-party software designed to cleanly remove programs, including leftover files or registry entries. This can help ensure a fresh installation later on. Once you've reinstalled the application, let's check to see if it runs correctly. If you still face issues, it might be worth checking your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes, overly aggressive security software can block legitimate applications from running. Ensure that Predator Sense is allowed through your security software without restrictions. Finally, if none of these efforts yield a solution, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Consult with Acer's support or seek advice from other users in forums dedicated to Predator devices. Sometimes, others who have faced similar issues can offer invaluable insights or alternative solutions you may not have considered. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope these steps help you get your Predator Sense application back on track. Good luck, and see you next time.